Hello learners, welcome to our channel Instructors Point. Today I will solve one more question that might come in the Teachers NQT Examination 2020. So today before this I have already made three more videos in which I have solved questions which might come in the Teachers NQT Examination 2020. So today our question is that I have to remove the duplicate words in a string. So first of all, I will take a string. Now this time I will be taking the static string. So it is hello. This is instructors point hello. This yes. Suppose this is our string and we want to remove the duplicate words from this string. So now I want to remove this element, this word is, and then again I want to remove this because it occurs two times. So now how to do that? I will be using the set class in Java. So first of all I will split this string and convert it into an array. So I will be defining an string array. So string s is equals to, and how I will convert this string into the array? I will convert this string by using the split method. That is, whenever I encounter a space, I will be entering the word into the string array. So for this, I will write the split method s dot split, and whenever a space is encountered. So this is how our string will be converted to our array. So for this I need to import some header files. So import java.util.arrays, and now let me show what is the problem here. So I've given the same name of my string as well as array, so it should be s1. So now what I need to do is I will define a set and I will store the elements of this array, s1 array, in my set. So I will define a set and the set is stored in the java.utils.set. So I will import that. So import java.util.set. And I will also import java.util.linked hash set because I will use the hash set. So import java.util.linked hash set. Yes. Now what will I do is I will store the elements of my string array in the set. So set is of type string and its object is set a is equals to new linked hash set and this will also be of type string. And now what will I do is I will be entering the elements of the array to this set. So for this I will be using the for each loop for string a, that is all elements, and for string a colon s1, that is for all the elements in the array s1. So I will store all this in my set a. So set a dot add, and what will I add here is our string a, this one. So now it will add all my elements of the array into the set. So now what I need to do is I need to traverse through the elements of the set. So I will be using the iterator class. So let me import it. Import java.util.iterator. So now after this for loop I will iterate through all the elements of this set. So iterator object is I is equals to set a, because I want to iterate to the elements of the set a, and dot iterator. So now I will write a while loop. So while I get the element in my set, so while I dot has next. So if this is the case, that is the elements are present in my iterator objects, that is elements are present in my set. So I will just print as words system.out.println, and I will write I dot next, because my elements are in the object of iterator, that is I dot next, and I can give the spaces as well. So now let me run this program. So you can see there that I have got the output as hello. This is instructor's point hello, and I have got hello again because first time the hello has the h in the uppercase, and in the second this hello is in the lowercase. So if I convert it into the lowercase, then it will not pose any problem. So let me convert it. So s equals to s dot to lowercase. So now it will not pose any problem, and let me remove the ln line so that I can print my statement in the single line. So let me run this file again. So you can see that I have got output as hello. This is instructor's point. So friends, you have seen how can we remove the duplicate elements from the string and duplicate words from a string. So that's all in this video, and kindly subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and please do like and share this video. Thank you.